The major week ahead at the Supreme Court, the battle over the abortion pill front and center, but rulings are due on other big issues. And ABC's Jay O'Brien joins us now from the court with more. Jay, good morning to you.
Gio, good morning. There is this collective sense of legal limbo this morning, and the clock is ticking. The justices have until midnight Wednesday to rule on that abortion pill matter. The question that they're facing, it's somewhat narrow here. The court has to decide if Mifepristone, the abortion pill, will be allowed to be available in its current form while a larger court case about the drug's approval by the FDA plays out in federal court. On Friday, Justice Samuel Alito decided the drug can briefly stay available while he and the other justices make up their minds on that question. And the consequences here are stark. Abortion rights advocates estimate what's referred to as medication abortion makes up more than half of U.S. abortions. At least 4 Democrat-led states have already begun to stockpile abortion medications, bracing for the court's ruling. And all of this is turning national attention right back onto the Supreme Court, which has a 6-3 conservative majority, you'll remember, and overturned Roe v. Wade less than a year ago. There were protests in front of the Supreme Court and across the country yesterday ahead of this ruling. And no matter what happens with the abortion pill access availability ruling, that overall case, that larger federal case into the FDA's approval of Mifepristone, that is expected to continue to drag on for weeks. And any ultimate decision there would likely be appealed right back here, potentially, to the Supreme Court, Gio.
And Jay, I know you're looking into other big issues on the Supreme Court plate this week. What are you seeing there?
Yeah, the justices are going to hear a case into religious accommodations at the workplace, which could have implications for workplaces across the country. There's also a free speech case that they'll hear into Facebook messages sent by a convicted stalker. And they have some big decisions to make, too, into issues like voting rights and affirmative action. But those decisions aren't expected until closer toward the summer, Whit.
A big week at the Supreme Court. Jay O'Brien, thank you.
Well, hey there, GMA fans. Robin Roberts here. Thanks for checking out our YouTube channel. Lots of great stuff here. So go on, click the subscribe button right over here to get more of awesome videos and content from GMA every day, anytime. We thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the morning on GMA.